Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are excited to share our rapid prototyping project, which is aesthetic chair made using proper bamboo. So we are a group of 16 members. I am Uday Sapate and these are my team members: Yash Bisen, Jagdish Babadure, Uber Sheikh, Ketan Sonavne and Abhidna Patil. So throughout this semester we have made this chair. This chair is just not a functional, but we have only also focuses on the particular functionality of this chair, and the properties of bamboo also are covered in this particular project. So now let's see what is bamboo. So basically bamboo is fast growing renewable material that has been used for centuries for making the furniture and daily use products. This particular bamboo is found abundantly in tropical and subtropical regions, which makes it most one of the available product throughout the planet. It is also considered as the green king of the nature, and it's just not the plant, it is a symbol of sustainability and strength effective purpose. So that's all about the bamboo. So let's now move towards the why we have used bamboo only for this rapid prototyping project. There are several compelling reasons. Like first one is eco-friendliness. So bamboo is eco-friendly uh, eco-friendly element, one of the most renewable sources in our planet, which makes it cost effective also. Second one is workability. It's easy to cut, shape and assemble using basic tools, and we can also implement here different type of joints, like we have implemented T-joint, nail joints and slice joint, which makes this particular structure strong and lightweight also. Then third one is the availability. This is locally available element, uh, which does not need replanting after harvesting. Its main properties are like, after cutting this particular bamboo, it grows particularly 3 feet per day. And last one is the aesthetic appeal, which is one of the most important reason to use the particular bamboo only, which gives its natural tone and aesthetic appeal to this particular chair, which aligns with the goals like sustainability. So all these reasons makes the bamboo suitable for this making this particular chair. Now let's deep dive into the amazing properties of this particular element, that is bamboo. So first one is the flexibility. This fibrous structure allows bending without breaking this particular structure. Second one is high strength to weight ratio. This particular bamboo is with high tensile strength, but yet this particular structure have the lightweight, and purposefully we have used this particular bamboo for this rapid prototyping project. Third one is the durability. This particular structure of the bamboo enables us to make the product durable. And last one is the thermal insulator. This particular structure makes it naturally, like this is one of the most biodegradable project in our planet, and also one of the most renewable resources. Like this particular bamboo grows up to 3 feet per day, so it is also sustainable, which ensures this particular project is just not a showpiece, but we can also implement in practical life also. So that's all about the amazing properties of bamboo.
My name is Ketan, and today I will present you the structure and design of our aesthetic chair. So it is made up in three major sections: base, sitting area and backrest. So let's analyze the base first. So base is made up with 4 poles. So each pole having 2 feet of height, and each and every pole is connected with cross section, which is having length of 3 feet. Now sitting area. So sitting area is made up with 20 strips. Each strip having 2 feet of width, and now the final part, backrest. Backrest is made up with 2 foams, which having 1.5 height, and 10 horizontal strips, which is having 1.5 of width.
So hello, I am Yash, and today I am here to explain the cost estimation of our aesthetic chair, which is Nature's Throne. So first, let's break it down. A cost estimation into 3 parameters. First is labor, second is material, and third is total expenses. So now let's deep dive into material part. So the total material first is bamboo, and second is bamboo strip. So we have used total 6 bamboo poles, and we have almost used 30 bamboo strips. So the cost estimation for bamboo poles in India for one bamboo is around 50 rupees, and if we multiply that cost of one bamboo into 6, so it gives us 300. And now let's calculate the cost estimation of bamboo strips. So we have used around 30 bamboo strips, and for that the cost estimation is around 200 to 300 rupees. So now let's deep dive into labor cost. So the labor cost in India is around 200 to 300 rupees per day, and we have already spent like 8 to 9 hours in making this chair. So the cost estimation for a labor is around half day to a full day. So we are taking the cost estimation of labor around 200 to 300 rupees for this chair. So now let's calculate the total expenses we faced or we calculated to make this chair. So for the material, we have calculated around 500 for bamboo poles and 300 for bamboo strips. For labor, we have calculated around 200 to 300 rupees. And there is one more material which I forgot to tell, is fasteners. So fastener is about 50 rupees. So when we add this up, so the amount is around 100 rupees. So the cost estimation for our aesthetic nature throne is around 100 rupees to 1500 rupees. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Guru Sheikh, and I am going to tell you about all the joints and the supports we have used in our HS throne. So first of all, we have used total of 3 joints. First is T-joint, second is nail joint, and third is splicing joint. As you can see here, first is T-joint. So I have used total 8 T-joints. As you can see, 2 here, 2 here. Other 2 here and other 2 are in the back. Other are nail joints. We have total 28 of these bamboo strips, and we have secured them tightly with 2 nail joints each bamboo. And the other 2 are these 2 joints at the back. These we have secured with splice joint because we wanted to extend the back seat of our chair. So that's all about our joints. And other are, we have used 3 diagonal supports. These 2 supports are used because the chair was swinging forward and backward. To stop that, we have used these 2 supports, and one is used in backwards to stop it swinging from sideways. That's it all from my side. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jagdish Babu Sure, and today I am talking about the applications of bamboo chair. Bamboo chair is eco-friendly, it is strong and durable. So it is used in various purposes. First is used in mainly main use in home appliances for dining, for living purposes, and also it is used as a study chair. Uh, it is also used in restaurants for a natural vibe. And also it is used in educational institution for setting purposes. It can use in meditation centers and yoga centers for giving a relaxation and peaceful vibe. Uh, Thank you. It's all about the bamboo applications.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Patil. In conclusion, this bamboo chair project proved that bamboo is strong, eco-friendly, cost-effective material in furniture. We have successfully designed and built a stable, lightweight chair using simple tools and techniques. This project gave practical experience in sustainable construction that how natural materials can be used in innovative and green engineering solutions. Thank you.
जॉइंट येत असेल तर जॉईन वरच घे.
जॉईंट होते.
सबकॉन रफ कर आठवण ठेव काय नव्हतं. यश इधर देख. यश
खालचं जायचं.
अरे ठोक 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 असं नाटक कर. ऊपर ही चालू करना, ऊपर ही चालू कर, बाद में नीचे लेके जा। घर इथं जायला का तू आणत जा घरून? हां मग बिलकुल बाबू.
This is all from our side. Thank you for watching our journey. Let's continue to innovate, build, and design with purpose.